This dashboard shows an exponential growth curve rocketing past the 10 million view threshold. It represents the exact outcome of a correctly optimized YouTube short. You might be stuck getting 0 views or trapped in the infamous 30,000 view jail. That happens when you treat the algorithm like a slot machine, hoping to get lucky. Today, we are replacing luck with a step-by-step system. I will show you exactly how to ideate, script, and edit a highly transformative video engineered for massive reach. Go ahead and open your YouTube Studio dashboard and your preferred video editing software so you can follow along. Success in the Shorts feed is determined by specific audience signals. When you provide the exact inputs the system is looking for, your results become far less dependent on a stroke of luck. Step 1 is clearing the primary technical hurdle, 0 view jail. When a new account gets 0 views, it means the algorithm has flagged it as bot spam and completely blocked it from the Shorts feed. To fix this, you must navigate to your YouTube Studio settings, click on the Channel tab, and officially verify your account. Next, you have to complete a behavioral warm-up. Scroll the feed, like videos, and leave comments before you even think about posting. Without completing this human validation protocol, the greatest script and editing in the world are useless. The system will artificially suppress your reach until it knows you are a real person. Now we need to find your topic. Open an incognito browser set to the United States and scroll the Shorts feed to research high-performing niches. If you are starting out, commentary is the most reliable format. You can not just download and re-upload viral clips. Doing that triggers a reused content strike and instantly demonetizes your channel. You must create transformative content by adding your own original voiceover, visual effects, and a unique narrative angle. The rule of ideation is simple. Never copy a viral video clip for clip. Instead, look for the underlying trend and copy the pattern. For example, look at the intense audience interest that spikes when a free solo climber attempts a massive stunt. Viewers stop scrolling because the sheer scale and immediate danger of a towering skyscraper command visual attention. Capitalizing on these high-demand signals means you aren't guessing if an audience exists. You're simply working to capture a share of a market that is already proven to be hungry for that specific type of content. This flowchart breaks down the exact 4-part scripting structure required to keep viewers watching and maximize your average view duration. First is the hook. You must pair immediate visual intrigue with a bold opening statement. Next, you explain and foreshadow. This is where you establish context and raise tension by teasing the outcome without giving it away. Finally, you deliver the reveal. The build-up pays off, and the visual climax occurs on screen. Do not use ChatGPT to write these scripts unless you are creating pure fiction. AI produces winding, wordy structures that completely destroy your pacing. Taking manual control of the script allows you to intentionally manage the pace and tension, giving your video a much better chance of holding on to a viewer until the very last second. Moving to the edit, this timeline demonstrates the foundation of dynamic pacing. Import your voiceover and relentlessly cut out every millisecond of dead air. The first 3 seconds require heavy visual engineering. Zoom in on your footage, track the subject with red circles, and add distinct sound effects to lock in the viewer's focus. For the body of the video, apply the rule of constant motion. Never leave a static image on screen. Keyframe slow zoom-ins and apply blurs to text elements. Pair rapid visual cuts seamlessly with heavy impact sound effects like whooshes and booms to mirror the momentum of your voiceover. Dynamic editing is a calculated psychological tool. By introducing continuous movement and sound, you reset the viewer's attention span every few seconds so they cannot look away. After you hit publish, the Creator Studio data will objectively tell you what went right and what went wrong. This gauge shows your swipe rate, tracking how many people chose to watch rather than scroll. This metric must land above 80. Analytics provide a constant feedback loop. And by mastering these 2 metrics, you can replace the frustration of guessing with a clear path for refinement. You now possess a complete, monetizable, and highly transformative short built specifically to exploit algorithm patterns. This swinging pendulum illustrates the psychological danger of the process. Virality is highly volatile. Constantly checking your real-time view counts will trap you on an emotional roller coaster that kills your consistency. Focus exclusively on your inputs. Post the video, walk away, and immediately begin the ideation process for your next script. This system works through repetition and action. Open your editor and start writing your next script right now, and subscribe for more strategic breakdowns.